for today's video, we will be attending open day recruitment. Dahil nauuso na nga ngayon, ang dami ng mga airlines na nag-hiring. Hindi lang mga airlines, kahit mga hotels, cruise ship, and all that. So, ang dami ng hiring ngayon, ang dami ng interview. And gusto lang namin ipakita sa inyo, ano na ba yung mga updated na requirements, ano na ba yung mga kailangan yung paghandaan, and all that. So, ngayon, mag-a-apply po tayo. Disclaimer, actually hindi talaga ako mag-a-apply. Sasamahan ko lang si Eddie para ma-videohan ko siya kasi alam ko naman na height pa lang hindi ko na siya abot. My height is only 157 cm at ang reach ko ay hindi makaabot ng 212 cm. I've been practicing pero hindi talaga siya makakaabot. So ang agenda natin for today ay samahan si Eddie at ipakita sa inyo kung ano ba ang mangyayari sa loob at ano na ba yung mga updated requirements na kailangan ninyong paghandaan. So before we go to our vlog, please do subscribe on my channel and hit the notification bell button so that you will be updated on my next vlog. Okay, let's go! Time check, it's 12:23 in the afternoon at pupunta kami ngayon sa Penang. Ang Penang ay 4 hours drive. So around 4:38 makakarating na tayo sa Penang. Kaya andito kami ngayon sa Park Royal. Dito po gaganapin yung interview tomorrow. Titingnan lang namin kung meron bang parking or kung ano ba yung mga malapit na hotel na pwede naming pagstayhan. Nandito na kami sa loob. Ayan yung bed. And then tapat din siya ng beach. So tomorrow, we're not sure kung saan banda dito, but at least ngayon nakita na namin kung ano yung tsura ng place at kung saan ba yung toilet, saan kami pwedeng, alam mo yun, mag-retouch and all that. Pakita ko sa inyo ano yung tsura ng resort. Hi! Katawa kasi naka-shoes kami. Tinignan namin yung place and then we saw this. Wow! Tapat talaga siya ng beach. Are you excited for tomorrow's interview? Yeah! Sabi na-miss ko yung puerto. Parang puerto yung vibe and it looks so fun. So tomorrow, if hindi ako matanggap, which I'm sure naman na hindi dahil sa height pa lang wala na, dito na ako dediretso at magdadala ako ng pampalit. So while waiting for Eddie, magbe-beach muna ako, o diba? Thank you! Ito po yung pag-i-stayhan namin for the night. Literal, natutulugan lang talaga namin siya. May CR na. Hingal. So, dito kami mag-i-stay for tonight. Sobrang haggard dahil wala siyang elevator, kaya medyo hingal na hingal kami paakyat. At konti lang naman yung dala namin gamit kasi for a night lang kami mag-i-stay. Katapat na katapat niya lang yung venue, kaya madali lang rin kaming makakapunta tomorrow. Walking distance lang siya. At malapit din siya sa beach, which I'm very, very excited. Siyempre, lumaki ako na island girl talaga. Magpapahinga muna kami kasi sobrang pagod. Kapoy day. Okay, see you! Tignan nyo, may mga horse! Grabe! Nanti. Ang cute! Hello guys! So, eto na. Siyempre, wala kaming magawa ngayon. And tapos na rin naman kami mag-review. Si Eddie talagang sobrang trained na niya. Ako chill lang kasi height pa lang, alam ko na. Ligwak na si ate girl. So, let's go! Let's swim!
Guys, time check. 3:45 na. Hindi pa rin ako makatulog. As in, ginawa ko na talaga lahat. Wala pa rin.
Time check, it's 7:06 at ito na po ang aking outfit for today. Hindi ko muna sinara kasi medyo mainit. Tapos si Eddie naman, ayan, ready na rin. Pero ang opening pa ay 9 AM. Dito kami dinala ni Kuya at kami yata ang kauna-unahan. Wala akong nakikitang height check. Sayang, are you excited?
Yeah. I just want to show the venue.
Yeah. Guys, nakakaloka. See? There's no queue. Kami po ang unang-una. But I think if this is in the Philippines, parang mga 5 AM pa lang, punong-puno na to ng linya. So dito sa Penang, Malaysia, wala masyadong linya. I mean, wala talagang linya, guys. Ayan, ang dami na lumadating. Pero wala kaming number, basta nakaupo lang kami dito. At sila halos taga-Thailand. Okay, so maglalakad-lakad kami para makita niyo yung linya. Naiya kasi kami mag-video. Basta pinaupo lang kami sa mga sides and then yun. Ayan. Ito naman, mostly mga taga-Thailand. Tapos, yun lang, tatlo lang. Sobrang konti lang nag-a-apply. Tapos ito lang, yun. That's it. And time check, it's already, what time is it?
7:41.
It's already 7:41. Considered late na nga ito eh. Kasi pag usually mga 3 hours early or 5 hours early pa nga eh. So now I can see na hindi ganun karami ang mag-a-apply. But let's see later kung paano kaya yung numbering system. Jai, guess what? Si Eddie may dalang electric fan. Hindi, sa akin talaga siya. Pero yan o. Oh, di ba? Tapos kumuha siya ng mga food, snacks namin. Kasi matagal pa, sobrang aga pa. Sneakers. Yan. Good luck, sayang. You can do it.
You too.
I'm here to support you.
You too.
No, I'm just here as your videographer. I'm just pretending to be one of the applicants.
Yeah.
So, dito talaga ang venue. Dami na pala, uy. What time is it?
7:56.
7:56, almost 8. So, kain muna. Baka mahimatay na naman si Ellie.
It's nice. There's no shop open, so I just get it from the car. Some of the snacks, so yeah.
Update. So, ngayon ang pinagawa sa amin is pinag-sign in kami, pinag-register kami online. So, yung mali ko is kinalimutan ko yung password and username ko nung careers something. Iba sa yung magla-login ka sa page. So, kinalimutan ko yun. So, dapat maalala nyo yun and ayun. Akala ko kasi pag nag-apply ka na online yun na yun. So, hindi pa pala. Time check 9:02 registration.
So we're discovering my scar. The scar that I got from basketball. So it's not visible anymore, the scar. I'm a makeup artist, part-time job.
I'm not really doing a good job because I can still see it.
It's
It's a
alright.
little bit. It's not really that obvious. And I heard they're not strict when it comes to scars. As long as you can cover. Oh my god, I'm borrowing eyebrow pencil from Thank you. Naubos na po kasi yung eyebrow pencil ko. So, lalagyan ko sa Eddie para i-fill yung gap dun sa kanyang eyebrow.
So now I have to like cover my eyebrow because
Kasi yung inahit niya. Galing bad boy siya kunyari.
no, because I shaved it before, so I didn't know that I will come for interview. So we borrow a pencil. We call it pencil.
Oh my god, is it the last one?
Oh, really? Sorry.
But it's okay.
It's okay.
Sorry, I finished it.
It's okay, no problem.
So it's already finished. It's definitely finished already. Pencil itself.
Okay, I think it's okay. What's your number? So ito yung number ko, 182.
What is it?
Ay, ito pala ito ni Eddie. So, sa stage na to, tatawagin yung mga names nyo, tapos bibigyan kayo ng number. Ang nangyari, may ilan sa kanila na hindi natawag yung pangalan. I think because kaka-login lang nila or kaka-register lang nila dun sa online application. So, kami ni Eddie, matagal na kaming nag-send ng application. Matagal ko nang pinasa yung sa kanya, kasabay nung sa akin. Siguro mga 1 or 2 weeks ago pa. So, sila ngayon lang. Kaya, wala siguro sila sa system. But I'm not sure. But I'm not sure on this process kung bakit wala yung name nila sa system. But I would suggest mag-online na kayo beforehand. Ay, sorry. So, ayan, ganyan po kahaba yung pila. Ang daming tao. Grabe. At ayan po, ang dami ng pila. Ganyan po karami yung tao. So, ayan, hanggang sa dulo ata. Grabe, sobrang daming tao. Ha? Asa si May? Ay! Wait, okay lang? Okay ka lang? Okay, okay. Hello! Si May! Oh, apa. Ganda ah. Ang haba ng pila. At ayan na po yung end ng line. Yan na, hanggang dun lang. 11 AM at ngayon lunch break po. So hinati kami sa 4 or 5 na group. So yung mga numbers 1 to 50, isang group sila. 50 to 100? To 100, isang group sila. They will set a timer kung anong oras ka dapat bumalik. For now, magla-lunch break muna kami ni Eddie. Ginagawa niyo rin ba to? Sarap kaya pag ganito. The best. Yung mga nationalities na napansin ko doon is maraming Thai, no? Maraming taga-Thailand, as in sobrang dami nila. I think mga like 40% to 50% is from Thailand. Tapos syempre merong mga Malaysian, kagaya ni Eddie, Malaysian. And merong mga Japanese, pero konti lang, like 2 or 3. Napansin ko lang kasi sa names nila eh. And then may mga Filipinos din. I think sa Filipinos around 6 to 7 kami doon. So let's see kung mag-hire ba sila ng nationalities ba yung i-hire nila. Kasi hindi naman nila in-specify doon sa announcement. So let's see. Wow. Lapar gang, lapar.
Lapar.
12:01 at hulas na ang aking mga ka-makeupan. Yung lipstick ko rin kasi kumain kami. Ang time pa namin, ayan, ginroup namin kagaya nga nung nabanggit ko kanina. 1 to 50, 12:30. 51 to 100, 1:30. 101 to 150, 230. 151 to 200, which is kami ni Eddie, kasama yung number namin doon. 330. 201 to 250, 430. 251 to 300, 530. So, estimated 300 yung nag-apply ngayong araw. And, wala. Tulog na kami.
We gotta sleep.
Yeah, we have to sleep. Ayan, waiting pa rin. Nandito yung iba. Waiting hanggang 3:30. So, ang dami pa naming oras para mag-chill, mag-relax, mag-review, or matulog. Pero syempre ang hirap matulog, diba? Nakaayos ka na. So for now, patience lang talaga and keep on waiting. So maraming waiting na mangyayari, kaya magdala kayo ng maraming water. Hello, I'm with the very pretty ladies. Where are you guys from?
I'm from Penang.
Thailand. Oh, you can follow us. Oh, okay, follow.
Demi One Learn Thai, my YouTube channel.
Oh, yeah. Okay, good. Follow her. Okay. Good luck, guys.
Bye.
So easy, ah.
It's really good. It's a really tiring day. We've been waiting for like the whole day, and we just hope for the best for both of us. And
For you only, I love my job.
We go last and get it together, and
My main goal here is to really just show everybody like what's going on in the recruitment, because I know that I can't even reach 212 cm. 6:26 na kami natapos, pero hindi pa talaga siya tapos kasi may maghihintay pa kami ng announcement.
So guys, actually don't really need to bring your CV because they don't even check for it, and yeah, that's all.
Yung numbers 1 to 50, 2:30 PM sila bumalik, at ito kami 151 to 200, 3:30. Yan ang mga lucky numbers natin ngayon. So, back at 7 p.m. Sila yung mga pababalikin ng 7 p.m. Ibig sabihin, they will continue. Guys, wala kami ni Eddie. So, wala yung mga numbers namin 182 and 187. So, hindi na kami babalik ng 7 p.m. But it's okay. Because this is a nice experience and nalaman namin yung buong process. First time namin to, and Eddie will definitely try. Ako hindi na ako magta-try because I know na kahit pa lang, hindi ko na siya abot. But yeah, it was a good experience, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do subscribe on my channel, hit the notification button so that you'll be updated on my next vlog. Bye bye!